Hello children, after the first terminal exam, we are again starting our syllabus. So in the series of new syllabus, we are starting the lesson number 17. Forest, our life. How forest give us different kinds of things and how they are useful for us. What is forest? The forest is a very large area and the land is covered thickly with different kinds of trees, shrubs, herbs, and the grasses. There are only four kinds of plants that are found on the earth. Trees are very big plants, shrubs are medium size, herbs are very little, and grasses are covered only the land area. And it is also the home of many types of animals, microorganisms like fungi, bacteria, and plant species. And our total earth is one third covered with forest, that is approximately 3.9 billion hectares, and polar region and Greenland is not consist in them because there is not any plant found. They are covered with the snow or ice. So all that there are a lot of questions we shall study here, like how do plants and animals depend on each other in a forest? Why are forests important for us? Why are forests being cut at a fast rate? So, firstly, we have to understand the structure of the forest if we want to get the all the answer of these questions. Okay, the forest consists different layer of vegetations. Layer of vegetation means some are big trees, some are medium size, some are very little, and some are grassy. And these three layers are divided into three types. The first is canopy, second is understory, third is forest floor. And these are all divided in the basis of available sunlight. And here the plant grow and survive there. It also decide the habitat of various animals. Habitat means the home of animals. So let us study all the layer of vegetation in a forest. The first one is canopy. The forest top layer consisting of branches and the leaves of all trees, forming a kind of roof like umbrella. Suppose that this is the tree and it goes upside, and there is another tree that is also goes upside, and there they met and they make a roof here. Okay. The uppermost branches and leaves of tall trees act like a roof. Look at here, this type. The one plant and the another plant. These are all big trees that are connected to each other on upside. And they all has the evergreen trees that are very large and always covered with green leaves and overlap each other. Means overlap means they met each other with the dense leaf. Dense leaf means a very large number of leaves are there, and so due to dense, there is very little sunlight penetrate or reaches to the lower level to cross it. Very little sunlight, and here that's why here many reptiles like snake, salamander, different kinds of lizards, birds, monkeys, insects live here. And some animals live solely canopy region means in the upside area. Their animal also live on the branches of the trees. Okay. The second is understory layer. The layer of vegetation in a forest is just below the canopy. I will show you the picture. Look at here. This is the picture. This is the canopy top area. This is the understory. Here the look at the plant of the height of like the trunk height. And this is the forest floor, means grassy plant. Okay, so there are mainly small trees like shrubs. They are able to sunlight in less sunlight because the very few sunlight can cross the canopy area. And a large variety of insects, birds, snake, lizards, carnivorous predators like jaguar. Jaguar is a type of tiger. Python, leopards live here. The third is forest floor. Forest floor means the area. This the plant of these area. They are not very high, just like shrubs. Sorry, just like herbs, and they are mainly leafless plants such as mosses, liverworts, lichens. Largest animal in forest like uh, tigers, lions, deer, bear. They are all live on the forest floor. And the forest floor also has many kinds of insects and worms. The decomposed organisms that like bacteria, fungi, mushroom, toadstool are also present on the forest floor. The forest floor is covered with dead and decaying plant matter. So that means the trees or the plant that broke down from their main trees and fall down on the floor. That is called the decaying plant matter. And the wastage of the different kinds of animal. That is the like the cow is gives to the forest floor like cow dung. So many animals leave their waste material. Okay.